An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj for class 4, subject EVS 2 Science, topic recapitulation of the chapter Force, Work and Energy.
Hello children, in EVS 2, today we will be doing recapitulation of the chapter Force, Work and Energy. So let us first begin with the topic Force.
A force is a push or a pull to make something move. A tennis ball will stay at rest unless it is pushed, bounced or thrown. If the object is heavy, more force will be required to move. Force can move an object, stop a moving object, change the direction of a moving object, change the shape of an object. Now let us study types of force: muscular force, frictional force, gravitational force and magnetic force. Now let us study about friction. Friction is the force between two surfaces in contact. Rough surfaces offer greater friction. Rub your palms together and observe the changes. What do you feel? Friction generates heat. Sir Isaac Newton, an English scientist, was the first person to discover why things have weight and fall to the ground. It is said that after seeing an apple fall from a tree, he began thinking about why this should happen. His explanation was that the earth and the apple attract each other. The earth being so large is not affected by the pull of the apple. However, the apple being smaller is pulled towards the earth. The force attracting these things through space is known as gravity. Simple machines. Examples of simple machines are lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley and screw. An inclined plane is a flat supporting surface tilted at an angle with one end higher than the other. It is used as an aid for raising or lowering a load. A pulley is a machine consisting of a wheel which is designed to have a rope passing around it. A pulley enables us to lift heavy weights by pulling the rope downwards. A lever is a simple machine consisting of a rigid rod balanced at a fixed point or fulcrum. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole. The wheel and axle make it possible to move heavy loads easily. Energy means the capacity to do work. Kinetic energy is the energy within a moving object. Potential energy is the energy stored in a stationary object due to its position. For example, water stored at a height has a potential energy and flowing water has kinetic energy. The energy that we receive from the sun is known as solar energy. The sun's energy reaches us in the form of heat and light. Chemical energy is stored in the particles of substances like food and fuels. Sound energy. Sound is another form of energy that is transferred from a vibrating object and carried through the air to our ears. Wind energy. We can use wind to transport us from place to place. For example, by using hang gliders or yachts. We also use wind energy to turn windmills to pump water and to generate electricity. Electrical energy. Electrical energy can come from batteries and power plant. Hydro energy. This energy is harvested by building dams on rivers. Dams allow the water to fall from a great height and with great force onto turbines, creating energy. This energy is used to generate electricity. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.